Hi kids, I'm Miss Byrd and this is Freddie the Frog. Hi kids! Together we do letters and sounds, attaining academic success while having fun. Oh yeah. You can join us from A to Z or you can just hop right in. We're perfect for kindergarten and first graders. Oh yeah, we're good. Today we're going to do the letter Y. You can get your worksheet at homeschoolbyrd.com. That's Byrd with a Y. Have your Y worksheet out. And right now, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Yeah. And ring the bell. And let's go. We always like to start with a song. And Ziminy's our favorite. Always like to start. It feels good. Let's go. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Yes, indeed, it's such a marvelous day. Oh, yay. Plenty of fun times headed our way. Ziminy Z, yeah, Ziminy Z. Oh, yay. Oh, goodness, kids, it's so nice to see you. And hi, kids. And he's getting the worksheet. He's a hard-working frog. Yeah. He's just like you, kids. He's learning to write and he's learning the sounds. Yeah. And look at this. This is our worksheet for today. You have yours down on your flat desk or table, but we have to hold it up so you could see it. I know it's hard work for him. Yeah. And this is a letter Y. These are the shapes. But we also have some pictures. We have a beautiful, well, he's already pointing to it. The picture, there's a beautiful color of yellow. Yeah. And there's an egg. Yeah. And, oh, do you know what that is, Freddie? It's yarn. Oh, a yarn. It's a spool of yarn. People like to knit with yarn. Oh. There you go. And the first thing we always like to do with our letter is we have to do our letter lines. Red dot middle line and blue sky top line. And this is the fun part. It's hard, but it's the easiest part. So right now I want you to pick up your green crayon. Oh, it's good. That's his favorite color, green. You know, green, frog. Yeah. And he's already pointed to it. Kids, can you point to the green arrow with Freddie? Good. That's where you're going to start. Hold up your green crayon. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Now place it at that green arrow. We're going to make the green grass bottom line all the way across. Trace that green line all the way across to the other green arrow. Lift. Good. Nice job. And, oh, he's pointing to the next one. Kids, can you point to the red arrow with Freddie? Right there. Good. On the count of 3, red crayon up. 1, 2, 3, red crayon up. Good. And now point to it with your red crayon at the red arrow. And now make a dotted red line all the way across. It's a little bit harder. Just follow that red dotted line. Trace over it with dots. Oh, kind of fun, huh? I like the dotty sound. To the red arrow. Lift. Good. And the next color, the blue sky. Got it. Okay. He's got it. Kids, can you point to the blue sky top line arrow? Right there. It's right there. Right there. Count of 3. Hold up your blue crayon. 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Good. Next, touch it to the blue arrow right here. Right there. And then make the blue sky top line, all the way across to the other blue sky arrow. Lift. Oh, good, you're doing a great job. Yeah. You just made the green grass bottom line. Yeah. And the red dot middle line. And the blue sky top line. Yeah, good. Next, we want to make the letter house. This is a house where the letters go into. And then also the basement. And, oh, he likes this. He likes to show off his letter house. He works at this. He colors it. Oh. Kids, you can get the letter house all by itself too at our home website with the whole stack of worksheets has this all by itself too. So, oh, yeah, you want to get going. Let's go. Okay, here's the house. And underneath the house is a basement. And downstairs, right here, this whole X section, is the cooking, and there's a table. Yeah. And then he's pointing to the stairs. If you go upstairs, there's the beds. That's upstairs. Okay, and downstairs, that's downstairs. Oh, and down further, there's another set of stairs. And down here, all the way underground, is the basement. We like to say it deep and dark, like it's deep under. Basement. Right here. And look at that. There's a dumbbells. Somebody's working out. And there's a bike. That's my favorite workout. And boxes. I wonder what's in those boxes, huh? But I want to go back up to the downstairs right here. Yeah. And then, oh yeah, upstairs. Okay, Freddie, let me do it. You're so excited. I know. Okay, Freddie and kids, point to the downstairs. Yeah, that's good. And now point to upstairs. Good. And now point to the basement. There, you got it. Oh, that's good. Uh-huh. Oh, he wants to go with the letter now. Okay. There you go. Okay, now the kids can make their letter house. Yeah. On the count of 3, everybody hold up your brown crayon. 1, 2, 3, brown crayon up. Good. And start with that little itty bitty teeny weeny tiny little house right here. It's super tiny, like for an ant. Of course, ants don't have houses like that, but you get the idea. And just go ahead and trace that line straight up. I know yours is better than mine. And now make the roof past the chimney to the tippy top of the roof, and then back down the other side of the roof. And now trace the wall of the house down here. Now I want to go underground into the basement. And here's the floor of the basement and the side of the basement. Back to the itty bitty baby house. Kids, you just made a letter house. I want to make some grass too. Freddie, can you, he's pointing to the grass. I want to make some grass outside of the house right here. I just like that. It's fun to play in. Yeah, fun. Over here, make some more grass. But not inside the house, just outside the house. Oh, good. Yeah, thank you. Now we get to make the letter Y. The name of the letter is Y. The sound of the letter is Y. Huh? Yeah. The sound of the letter Y is Y. Yeah. That's it, Freddie. You got it. Thank you. But before we start sounding it a bunch, I want you to go ahead and, this is the uppercase big letter Y. Yeah. Find the X marks the spot for me. Got it. Find it with Freddie? Yeah. Good. And I want you to start with a beautiful sunshine yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3. Yellow crayon up. Good. Start at, he wants to point to it. Yeah. X marks the spot right here. And you go a slant line to the red dot line and then go straight down. Oh, that's fun. And then make a start here, back up at the blue line, and then make a slant line. So it looks like it's a V and a big leg. So you start here, go straight down, and here. You did it! You just made an uppercase big letter Y. Yeah. Next, I want you to pick up orange. 1, 2, 3. Orange up. Good. Start at X marks the spot again. Slant line to the red dot line, and then go straight down left. Come back here to the blue, and then make a slant line. You did it! Another uppercase big letter Y. Yeah. And then green. It's his favorite color. Yeah. Start here at the X marks the spot. Slant line and straight line down. Good. Back up here and another slant line to meet it. Kids, you just made uppercase big letter Y. Yeah. It's good. Very nice. Let's go over here. This is a lowercase little letter Y. Yeah. Yeah. Freddie, can you find X marks a spot on this letter? Yeah. That's it. He found it, kids. You too. Everybody, point to your X marks the spot to start the lowercase little letter Y. Yeah. Now hold up your yellow crayon. 1, 2, 3. Yellow crayon up. And start at X marks the spot right here. And it's going to be a straight slant line all the way down. Left. Yeah, it's a straight line. Straight. Go back over here and then come down so it makes a V. So this looks like a V, but it continues this side, goes straight down into the basement. Goes all the way to the bottom of the basement floor, in fact. Look at that. Very nice. Let's do another one. On the count of 3, hold up your orange. 1, 2, 3. Orange up. Good. And let's go ahead and start again. He's pointing to it. I see it. Okay. X marks the spot. Yeah. And a straight slanted line all the way to the basement floor. Lift. Back to the red line. Another slant line that meets at the green grass line. You did it. You made a lowercase little letter. Y. Yeah. That's good. Oh, God. Oh, no. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Green crayon up. Uh-huh. That's his favorite color. And start here at X marks the spot. Straight line to the basement bottom. Yeah. Back to red dot line. And then come across to meet at the green gas line. So this looks like a V. But this line keeps going all the way to the bottom of the basement. Yeah. On the count of 3, I want everybody to show us your beautiful Y. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold it up. Oh, so nice. Hi, kids. Everybody's just so good. Good, 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 good. Good, good. Ah. Oh, it's so, he loves seeing you kids. He loves kids. Yeah. Hold on, Freddie. I know. Hi, kids. Okay, so you just did the uppercase big letter Y, yeah, and lowercase little letter Y, yeah. Kids and Freddie, can you tell me, is the uppercase big letter Y, yeah, upstairs? Yeah. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is the big letter in the basement? No. Right, it's good. How about this little letter, lowercase Y? Yeah. Is it upstairs? No. Is it downstairs? Yeah. Is it in the basement? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, it is. This one goes all the way to the basement, all the way to the bottom of the basement. Yeah. Makes it kind of a special letter. Now I want to practice the name of the letter, which is Y, and the sound of the letter, which is Y. Okay? You do it with Freddie. I'll say it once and then you say it. Ready? Yeah. Y, Y. Y, Y. Good job. Y, Y. Y, Y. Good. Y, Y. Y, Y. Freddie, you did that so well. Thank you. The name of the letter is Y, and the sound of the letter is Y. One more time. Y, Y. Y, Y. Let's go back to the pictures. Okay. Y, Y, yellow. Oh. Y, Y, yolk. Yeah, the yolk is the inside of an egg. It's yellow too. Oh. Y, Y, yarn. Yarn. Okay. Y, Y, yolk. Y, Y, yellow. Yellow. Okay. This is really, it's wonderful. This is like, I love, oh, he likes it too, the yellow. And you could also see the clipboard is yellow. Yeah, it's nice. So, no, I don't want to go. We get to have the cards. Thank you, Freddie. He's getting the cards out. Are you ready? Yeah. I'm good. Ready? A, B, 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 C, C, D, 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 E, E, F, F, G, 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 H, 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 I, I, J, 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 K, 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 L, O. Ah, I know it's a hard one. L, O, L, That was it. That you're doing good, Freddie. Okay. M, M, N, N, N. It's doing great. O, ah. Make a circle with your mouth. Ah. O, ah. You got it, Freddie. P, 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 P. Good. Q, Qu, Q, Qu. Very nice. R, 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 R. Good job. S, 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 S. T, 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 T. U, U, Good job. V, 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 V. W, 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 W. X, X. I know it's a funny one. X, 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 X. You did it. And our last one, we just learned this. Y, yeah. Y, yeah. Let's do it again. Y, yeah. Y, yeah. Let's get it one more time. Y, yeah. Y, yeah. Oh, you did so good, Freddie. That's good. That's good. Hi, kids. And we have to go now. We're done. Oh, but we love to sing songs when we say goodbye. So nice seeing you, kids. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. Zim-a-dee-zee, yeah, zim-a-dee-zee. See you, kids. So nice seeing you. A marvelous day. Oh, yay. See you next time. We get to play all the day. Zim-a-dee-zee, yeah, zim-a-dee-zee. Yay. Bye, kids. See you next time. Bye, kids.